My name is Nur Afika binti Muamal. My number matrix is 07DK21F 2003.
Hi, my name is Siti Nur Amira binti Muhammad Adam. My matrix number is 07DKA21F 2058.
Hi, my name is Fahira Ardina binti Abdul Muin and my matrix number is 07DKA21F2056.
Hi, my name is Valerie Bawidut and my matrix number is 07DKA21F2066.
The materials that we use for lightweight roof truss installation are C-channel, batten, self-drilling screw, wall plug, and L-bracket.
So the equipment and tools that we use during lightweight rooftop is hammer, piler, hand snip, adjustable hand spanner, hand drill, grinder, wheel cutter, marker pen, measuring tape, L-square, and spirit level.
Method of installation. First, fabricant process. Sequence of fabricant process. A. Check the actual size, dimension on site. B. List each member and cut. C. Labeling of each member. D. Trim and notch C-channel at its top, bottom, and horizontal. E. Setting and fabricate the truss member. F. Depth the same truss and equivalence. G. Stock and store the truss at the appropriate place.
For method number 2 is installation process. Sequence of installation process include A. Marking and fix L. B. Hoist and sequence the truss on the roof beam as per drawing. C. Stand the steel truss and fix the temporary bracing. D. Install hip, rafter, and valley track if any. E. Install perimeter batten. F. Install roof insulation. G. Install roof batten. H. Install lateral and diagonal bracing. I. Tighten L. J. Install roof accessory. K. Perform visual inspection.